It would be very helpful if you first try to solve the problem yourself before watching this video.
Question 263. If f of x is equal to 1 plus 2x to the power of 2 over 3, then which of the following is true? We have 3 parts to think about, and it says f is differentiable for all real numbers. Second part, f is increasing for x is greater than 0. Third part, f has minimum at x equals 0. So basically, we have to find the derivative and perform the derivative test and see if each of these are true, right? So the derivative of f prime, here f prime is equal to, derivative of 1 is equal to 0, so I'm not going to write it. So that's just the 2 times power of 2 over 3 x to the negative 1 over 3, right? 2 over 3 minus 1 is negative 1 over 3. So that is equal to 2 times the 2 over 3, that's 4 over 3, and we have x to the power of a negative 1 over 3. That's cube root x in our denominator, right? So this is our f prime. So let's find the critical point. Set that is equal to 0. Well, this expression never equal to 0, right? So there's no x value such that f prime is equal to 0. Okay, set f prime is undefined or undefined. Well, f prime is undefined when x is equal to 0, right? So that's our critical point. This is our critical point, right? It is because when x is 0, the function is continuous, right? So yeah, x is equal to 0, that's a critical point. So we're gonna do the first derivative test now. Okay, here's the number line. Oops. Let's draw with the black. Okay. So here's a 0. F prime. So we're gonna test these 2 intervals. All right. So when x is less than 0, let's substitute negative 1. Okay, negative 1. If x is negative value, all of this expression is negative, right? Because the cube root negative 1 is negative 1, right? So we have negative here, right? If x is greater than 0, let's substitute 1 here. If x is 1, then all of this expression is positive, right? 4 over 3 times 1. So that's positive. Positive here. So the graph of f decrease in this interval and increase in this interval, right? So we have relative minimum at x equals 0. So that's true. This is true. Second part, f is increasing for x is greater than 0. Is it increasing? Yes, because f prime is a positive here, right? F prime, oops. Yeah, f prime is positive here, which means f is increasing on this interval, right? So this is also true. Is f differentiable for all numbers? No, right? At x equals 0, if x is 0, f prime is 4 over 0, which is undefined, right? So f is not differentiable at x equals 0. So the first one is not true. And the graph of f actually looks like that, okay? So this is concept of this function, which is not differentiable at this point, right? So the answer has to be 2, 3. So the answer has to be D, all right?